Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Umulpura Public School online classes. It's your English literature lecture, and I am your teacher, Anam. So, this lecture is for grade 5, and our today's topic is collecting things. We have already done reading of the chapter. Now we will move to the next exercise. First of all, we are going to mention the chapter, which is chapter number 5. After that comes the topic, collecting things. Our first exercise is write meaning of the following words. Number one word is archaeology, the scientific study of culture past. Botanist, a scientist who studies plants. Preserving, storing carefully. Pleasant, enjoyable. Antique, something old and valuable. Distant, far away. Seldom, not often. Scrapbook, a book of collection. Cabinet, cupboard. Seaside, area by the sea. Now, next exercise. Our exercise number 2 is write sentences of the following. These are the words you will make sentences by yourself. Number one word is collection, pleasant, distant, hats, colorful, profession, drawing, interested, album, and seashells. Our last exercise is answer the following question. What kind of things do people collect? People collect stamps, shells, butterflies, hats, feathers, leaves, stones, matchbox covers, antiques, plates, costumes, cars, and many other things. Why was stamp collecting so popular? Stamp collecting was so very popular because stamps were easy to get and came from distant places. What are some of the things you will need in order to start a collection of flowers? To start a collection of flowers, you will need a notebook, an album, a scrapbook, two pieces of cardboard, newspaper, and a magnifying glass. Why do you think one should not pick more flowers than one needs? One should not pick more flowers than needed because some flowers are rare and important for nature. Why is magnifying glass useful but not necessary? A magnifying glass is useful but not necessary because it helps to see details, but it is not always needed. What are the details you could write in your record book? In your record book, we could write in our book, we could write the name of the flower, place, date, shape, color, and scents. Why do you think newspaper is used in the flower press? Newspaper is used in the flower press because it dries and flattens the flower. So this was our lecture today. If you have any kind of question regarding to the topic, you can contact me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.